Hi cutie, Grace here. Today we are going to draw a cat. So let's get started. First, draw the head for the cat. A big round head here. And finish it. Okay, now we have the head for the cat. So for the body, I will draw for the left body first, a slightly curved down. And the right side, the same too. And here at the bottom, I'm going to draw for the legs. I hope you are following with me. And complete the body. Okay, now we are turning to the top here to draw the ears. A triangle in shape and the inside too. And the right here will be the same too. And now we will draw the tail. Just draw with a curve and draw down again. I will be adding a scarf for the cat. A line to the right, a line down, slightly curved, and a line to the right. So a here line down again for the scarf and complete it. And I will add some detail in the scarf here to make it look more picture. Okay, now we are going to draw for the eyes. For the left eye and the right eye will be round in shape. And for the inside, we will draw a circle and the another circle again. And we will add some detail for the eye, so it looks more better. A small triangle nose, a smile here, and a whisker. And now we have finished the cat. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.